Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be playing our coach. Yes, just like in the previous video, we played some games, we did some review of the games, and we were able to find out some major things that we need to work on. But to cement our gameplay, we decided to play a coach instead. He's actually an intermediate 900 rated coach, and we're like 800 or so. So we're going to play this coach. Any mistakes that we're going to make, we're going to adjust our mistakes and become a better chess player. And as we go on, we're going to do the same thing. We're also going to do the same thing and play with intermediate 2. That is 1,200 rated, and then hopefully one day we play with the advanced, which is rated 1,600. Also, by the way, after this video, so playful.
There are many fun tactical games that come from E4 openings.
Okay.
E5. Hello, my friend.
E5.
Knight F3 is a great move that develops in attacks.
Okay. Like I said,
Which piece can join the fight? That works also. That's a very good move.
Okay.
How will I deal with this check? If you could attack a few of my pieces, perfect. You forked me. Nicely spotted.
Nice one. This is all good.
Well, there goes my rook.
Okay.
I'm moving my knight to a safer square.
But did I do this or do this? Let us do this. Don't mind.
Your pieces are developing nicely.
Okay. Can I do this and then cancel? Okay. No, so this is correct.
You're ready to castle when the time is right.
Oh,
Where will your king be happiest?
cancel. Okay.
You found it. The safe king's a happy king.
Nice. Let's do this.
If you keep playing this well, you can be my coach.
Nice one.
This move opens up the scope of my bishop.
So play like this. Yes, please. Let's get rid of this.
I appreciate your aggressiveness, but I would love you to play more moves in the center to start.
Okay. So putting 2 points like this, putting this F pawn into this F4 square. Oh no, this again. This again.
You got my knight. Good job.
Okay, we check. Why not?
Forcing my king to move? How rude. My king must move out of check.
Let's move the pawn forward.
Smart play. Opening up the diagonal for your bishop.
Okay, this is hanging, obviously.
If you keep playing, you'll start to see patterns and themes in your own games.
Oh shit! I didn't know that was hanging. Oh, that was crazy. Didn't even see that. Wow. Well, let me play a person and try and trade teammates.
En passant, very nice. You checked me.
Oh, there's no mates.
I'm getting nervous.
Okay, let's make this. I don't know what mates. Okay, I don't know what mates.
You moved your knight out of trouble. Good. What am I threatening to do? My rook was free for the taking. Well done.
Okay, okay.
This isn't looking good. Well, there goes my bishop.
Yeah.
It's clearly time for my king to move.
Let's go back. This thing.
You moved your rook out of trouble. Good.
Check.
I have to defend my pawn.
Oh, yeah, right. Maybe. Check. If takes. Check. I think this should be good.
How will I deal with this check?
Good.
Time to shield my king from your rook.
Check. You goes. Yeah, I'm very happy.
My knight was free for the taking. Well done.
Then
I like seeing you creating threats. Keep it up.
I don't bring. Yeah.
Taking back as you should. When the checkmate is coming. Good for you. You win. Nice game.
So I had one brilliant. I also have a great move. I also have a best move. So white built a little and didn't let up. Okay, that's a pretty much good game. I think we can go a little bit higher. Let's go a little bit higher. So do it and play 1,200 just in case. Next time around, we want to play with black instead. We'll play black instead. Black pieces. Let's do this.
I'll take the white pieces. I hope you learned something this game.
Okay.
I've been playing E4 since before you were born.
Nice.
E5 is a simple, smart way to start out.
Okay. Defend your knights.
A lot of beginners play the wayward queen attack. If you play the right next move, you should be fine.
Okay, I'm going to play my knight's move.
Your pawn is defended now. Which piece can join the fight while also influencing the center?
The second knight.
Great. Developing and attacking, that's a great idea. I'm moving my queen to a safer square.
Now I would like to play this d5, open the center move.
How should I respond to your threat?
Okay, great. Okay.
I need to make this move first in order to develop my bishop.
Castle.
Now you can castle when the time is right.
Okay.
Where will your king be happiest? Perfect. Someone's been studying their openings. Keep it up.
What can I say? I'll always bring my open bishop. Bring my two rooks into the fight. So let's do that. This is also a trait.
Your pieces are set up nicely. Keep going. I move my piece to a square where it can be more active.
Okay, so either I do this. I want to do this instead. Just protect it. Anyway.
I was thinking of capturing your queen, but now I'm blocked. Good. I'm keeping my queen safe.
Can I do some little hope? No, I cannot. In the meantime, I'll bring my 2 pieces. No, let me do this first, just in case this comes in.
Chess is a great way to wind down after a long day.
Alright. Okay.
My pawn kicks your queen, forcing it away.
I'll do this. We're gonna move. And then we're gonna take it. That should be great.
Run away!
Oh, no.
I'll block that. You got my bishop. Good job. This isn't looking good for me. Well, there goes my rook. I'm getting nervous.
Of course you should be. Like, it's not. I'm getting nervous. Let's do this instead.
Makes sense. Solid capture.
I'm taking this. Nah. No, it's this. That's one.
I see what you're up to, I think.
Whoa.
My pawn, I should have been more careful with my knight. Well done taking advantage.
That's not enough. Oh,
I have to defend my pawn.
good take. I want to take.
I can't remember the last time I saw a pawn take so many pieces.
Take. Okay. Okay.
I capture back!
I'll do it. Okay, I'll play this. Yeah, I'll play this. It's better. So I can attack my bishop.
My pawn was free for the taking. Well done.
Okay.
I'm moving out of danger.
I'll do this because if it takes, I take it back.
Rooks are sometimes called pigs. Now you can see why. They're eating all of my pieces.
It doesn't take me. I didn't even realize.
Your rook was free for the taking.
Yeah, I didn't realize. Let's go back. Give a check on this.
Moving the threatened queen. Very nice. I think my piece will be better off on this square.
This.
You took my pawn. Nice move.
Okay. Can we jump in?